Hi, my name is Michael and I am the designer of PodRide. The basic idea with PodRide is to have a weather protected and more comfortable bicycle. My solution is this four-wheeled, fully covered bicycle car. It is small and have a short turning radius to work well on bikeways and in other city environments. The range is about 60 kilometers. The top speed with engine is 25 kilometers an hour. This makes it a street legal e-bike here in Sweden and most other countries. We drive on both rear wheels and many gears. It can even take on steeper hills and rough terrain. To work well among cars, you sit in the same height as a normal car. There is room for some baggage in the back. And if you want to bring your children or you need more baggage, you can hook on a bike trailer. Here I'm bringing my paraglider to go flying. I put a lot of effort in making it practical, but it has also proven to be real fun to drive. It has a 250 watts crankshaft engine with air suspension, a comfortable and padded seat, and the recumbent seating position. You end up getting a very comfortable ride. You steer with sticks on the side and brake with handles. To get better ventilation in the summer, you can open up the lower part of the front window and also both the side windows. In the front I have an extra air inlet, headlights and indicator.
My name's Aaron, and I'm the founder of the Wave electric bicycle. The Wave is the world's most affordable and versatile electric bike. Your Wave e-bike speeds you up to 28 miles per hour effortlessly. With a 750 watt upgraded motor, you'll be riding up hills without ever having to pedal again. And with an extra large battery, you'll be able to ride for over 26 miles without ever having to pedal, which means you can go even farther if you decide to pedal. We've heard great stories about people getting rid of their cars completely and just using their Wave electric bike as the mode of transportation, which is great because the Wave electric bike is a clean, green way of transportation. Tired of pedaling your Wave electric bike? No problem. Just twist the throttle and you're good to go. The LCD display option on the Wave electric bike shows you your current speed, your total distance on the bike that you've covered, and shows your total time traveled on the bike from the very beginning when you received your Wave electric bike. Cruise control mode is also a great option for the Wave electric bike. Set cruise control and you don't even need to worry about the throttle. Some people ask, what's the benefit of having an electric bike? Isn't the purpose of a bicycle for exercise? And my response is that the Wave electric bike gives you options. If a person has a problem riding a normal bicycle, an electric bicycle is perfect because now you have assistance of a motor, so you don't even have to pedal. The Wave electric bicycle is great for anyone of all ages. You can pedal just like a normal bicycle and get exercise. You can use pedal assist mode, which means you can pedal with the assistance of a motor, or you can use the full electric mode and not have to pedal at all. It's great to hear all the different ways that people are enjoying their Wave electric bike. From riding around the beach, to commuting to work, to every scenario imaginable. People are getting rid of their cars and automobiles and just relying on their Wave electric bike. How are you going to find a way to enjoy your Wave electric bike?
Boosted is kind of changing the world of electric vehicles, but in an unconventional way. 50% of all trips that people take in cars are under 5 miles, and that's 25% of all commutes.
The Boosted board really we see as our first product. We really think that this powertrain can allow us to reimagine what a vehicle can be.
So we started with something that's already really efficient. And then you use really efficient motors and really efficient batteries, and you design the electronics and the software really well. Then you get basically the lightest electric vehicle that's ever been made. The last mile of transportation is this huge problem that hasn't been solved yet. Once you get off of a public transit system, whether it's a bus or a train or anything else, how do you get along that last mile to your destination. So Boosted Boards does is it gives you a really portable vehicle that you can use in conjunction with public transit.
A normal longboard weighs about 8 pounds, and on our prototype boards we've added only 4 pounds. And we have a 6-mile range and a 20-mile-an-hour top speed, and we can climb hills. A couple years ago that would have been completely unheard of. But with that we've added regenerative braking, so not only can you stop easily, but you recharge the battery when you do it.
Right now we have some awesome partnerships. We're working with one of the best longboarding companies in the world, Loaded. And the idea behind that was we want to start with really great stuff.
We felt that it was important to keep this accessible to many people. Longboarding is actually closer to snowboarding and to surfing. We're taking that niche market of longboarders and being able to expand it so that it's easier for people to learn.
Over the last 4 years, I've been searching for a way to travel over short distances using electric power. I thought about a skateboard, but I was concerned it wouldn't be stable enough. Rollerblades seemed too complicated to put on and take off, and the gyropod design would be too heavy to be carried out easily. Easy to ride and accessible to everyone, the scooter seemed like a good place to start. But one with 12-inch inflatable wheels, disc brakes, and an integrated charger. But that would be too heavy. It had to be light and comfortable. So I thought, let's invent a whole new type of brushless motor. And let's use an advanced aluminum alloy for the frame. It will be lighter and still just as strong. Designed by Helium Studio. Nice! Now this could be the one. Hi, I'm David Libo, and I'm proud to present the Electric Mode. It's an electric 22-pound scooter able to cover 12 miles at a top speed of 16 miles per hour. It has an integrated charger, rear and front headlights, and shows your speed and travel distance on a digital screen. And it can be charged in less than 1 hour. The Electric Mode uses a new generation of brushless direct drive engines based on an original architecture. The axial flux engine, integrated in the rear wheel, has a stator built with printed circuit boards that make it light, powerful and reliable. Electric Mode offers you freedom from your daily commuting trips. You can use it for every mile, from your home to your train or from your train to your work. Lightweight and equipped with inflatable wheels and a simple clip, you can fold it easily.
A very important part of Invento is that you can build your own rides together with your kid. You'll have great fun together while you work on your shared goal of completing the ride.
What is the angle?
20 degrees.
Okay, perfect.
Not only does Invento bring unforgettable family moments, by building the ride from the ground up, your kids learn how to think creatively. This whole experience gives your child a technical skill set for the future and teaches him that you can really build anything with the right mindset. Parents don't really think of this, but during childhood you may buy a lot of rides for your kids. All these rides will cost you a ton of money, and when your kids grow older, they end up broken or unused on a big pile somewhere. The revolutionary idea behind Invento promises to change all of this. With just one kit of Invento, your children will have their whole childhood fun in building and riding super cool rides. The Invento kit lets you create spectacular rides for every age group, from toddler to teenager.
Well, do you have any more questions, Alec?
Bye-bye!
Well, I think we've just lost our interviewer. You see how cool this is? So, support us.